GMA, a US-based financial and management company, is pleased to offer its clients a variety of services. Our licensed professionals assist businesses in reaching their full potential. See all our videos by searching GMA 3000 VIDEO and subscribe to our channel now. First 20 clients will receive a no-cost 30 minutes consultation by using code GM. Call GMA now for interim or fractional C-level executives, project development and management, business acquisition and sales, mergers and acquisitions, private and public offering, capital raise.
Has your business experienced a drastic reduction in business activity as a result of an epidemic or a failing economy? Businesses, just like life, do go through cycles. Those businesses that are well prepared and managed, also that have a plan in place to reduce costs, have a much better chance to survive the challenging times ahead. Not being prepared may be fatal for the enterprise. An experienced CFO would have a flexible budgeting system in place, using a fixed and variable expense models. The budget model will be used to determine your levels of expenses at various levels of business activity. You will be able to calculate your profit or loss, based upon various assumptions of projected business activity.
There are 3 ways to plan for bad times. Option 1, preserve the status quo, and just hope for the best. Option 2, blindly cut expenses across the board. GMA plan, use the downturn to make your business more effective so when the storm is over, and the economy returns to acceptable levels, you'll be in an even better position to move quickly, to regain lost grounds. The enterprises that survive this storm may have opportunities to become stronger and bigger as many competitors may not have survived. Have plans in place for these opportunities as well.
Here are the main opportunities to enact immediately.
Maximize your cash flow quickly. Reduce your costs rapidly. Coach your team on how to control costs. Make your staff part of the solution.
GMA3000.com, the budgeting and financial management experts, has assisted companies in strategizing ways to increase revenues and decrease costs. To navigate through the financial storm, our interim, or fractional CFOs, COs, CMOs and others, will work cohesively as a team with the owner, or your president and staff, to plan the survival. GMA will not have prejudices nor have neither political alliances nor allegiances within the organization. We bring a clear mind and business concepts to assist the enterprise. Without experience, the typical business owner or leader will not be ready for the financial economic impact. Not every manager is educated or trained to take actions to maintain the financial viability of the enterprise. In bad times, be proactive, rather than reactive in using profit improvement and advanced cost reduction methods. Business should be ready with a defined plan on ways to reduce costs, in the event of permanent or temporary reductions in business activity.
The cost reduction plan should be comprised of careful planning in phases or priorities. The reductions may be temporary. Cutback in management salaries. Voluntary unpaid leave of absence. Find savings opportunities, such as buying versus leasing. Like payroll time clocks, postage stamp machine, etc. Review all costs such as contract services and supplies. Reducing inventory. Obtaining a line of credit, extending or renegotiating the existing loans. Negotiating and obtaining reductions of your lease charges. Here are other cost-cutting opportunities. Up to 20% of profits may be spent on excessive supplier charges. Ensure that you don't overpay for goods. A high percentages of triple-N commercial leases include overcharges by their landlords. Review what you are being charged for carefully. Approximately 70% of businesses pay more than they should for basic utility services. Turn utilities off when not in use and review usage statistics. Nearly 9 out of 10 telecommunications audits result in lower rates and/or reduced costs. You should always look ahead, understand the economy and change the course of operations and possibly your mission, if necessary for financial survival.
At times it is hard for management to determine how to cut costs and what to cut. In theory, when a company is having financial problems, it reduces operating costs and increases marketing and sales budgets. Bringing additional revenues may be one of the best ways to maintain fiscal stability. If cannot do this, then cost reductions are a must. Managers must look at reduction of everyday business costs as part of their responsibilities. Many operational costs such as salaries, rent, typically occupy the mind of most managers and financial officers. But the amount paid for healthcare, energy, and telecommunications is often not looked at by administration. The reason? Most companies simply don't have the know-how and internal resources to undertake an in-depth audit of their operating costs.
We hope this GMA Finance video will allow you to prepare for the challenges. GMA is always here to support and assist as a member of your team.
Call 310-228-7721 now for a no-charge complimentary 30 minutes phone consultation with Mr. Miso. Our integrated premier C-level professionals such as CEOs, CFOs, CUs are here to assist you now. Our licensed team of professionals are business or FINRA licensed brokers. Call us now if you are contemplating purchasing or selling a businesses or interested in mergers and acquisitions. We perform various tasks including the planning, evaluation and execution of these transactions.